Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up product attachments in WooCommerce using the Product Attachment plugin. With this feature, you can easily attach files like PDFs, manuals, guides, or documents to your WooCommerce products and make them available to your customers. Let's get started. Step 1. Activate the plugin. First, make sure that the WooCommerce Product Attachment plugin is installed and activated on your website. Once the plugin is activated, go to the plugin settings page from your WordPress dashboard. Step 2. To add a new attachment, go to Bulk Attachment menu and create a product attachment. Click on Add New Attachment button. I have already created one, so let me open it and show you how it works. Step 3. Configure attachment settings. Here, you will need to configure a few details. First, enter the attachment title. Make sure the status is enabled. Next, add a description for the attachment here. Then upload the attachment file directly from your website. You will also see some additional settings, like attachment should open in a new window. Attachment should apply to all products or only to specific products. Next, choose where the attachment should appear, like product detail page or order detail page also, etc. You can also restrict the attachment. If needed, you can also set a specific expiry date for the attachment and some other settings you can do as per your needs. There are also some additional attachments are created, but in this example, I have kept them disabled as you can see it here. So, in this video, you able to see the first attachment visibility on the product page. So, I hope you understand how to add new product attachment with all the settings. Now, on the shop page, you can check the product attachment. Now, let's see how the attachment appears. I'll open a product page. Here you can see Download Attachment tab. With attachment is displayed its title, description, and expiry date, and the attachment can be downloaded from here. Now, let's add the product to the cart by click here. Click here to view cart. Now click to proceed for the checkout. On the checkout page, you can see in the right side. If the settings enabled, customers can also upload their own attachment here, which enable for the admin after order place. Now, let's place the order by click this below Place Order button. As you can see, the order has been placed successfully. Next, view attachments in order details. If the correct visibility settings are enabled, the attachment will also appear on the order detail page. Let me show you. In the admin side, if you enable both product visibility and order visibility, the attachment will appear on the order details page as well. Click this button to save the settings. After saving the changes and refreshing the order detail page, you can see the attachment displayed here with all the details like title, description, etc., and user can also download it here. Let's see same attachments at the admin side. Next, on the admin side, when you go to WooCommerce Orders, click Latest Order to open an order detail page. In this order, scroll to the bottom side. You can see section, attachment details, and the product attachment details will also be visible to the store admin for the further action. This makes it easy to manage attachments related to each order. And that's it. This is how you can set up and manage product attachments in WooCommerce. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon here for more updates about the WooCommerce tutorials. Let's know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this video.